for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Butler and Lawrence. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Wilmington, or 7 miles north of New Castle, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Hermitage, Grove City, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest, Pulaski, Bessemer, New Bedford, Harrisville, and West Middlesex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message.